Hi, my name is Taylor, and this is my video of my Trello and fun stuff like that. Um, I've taken this class before, not been the best at it. Trello is my biggest weakness. For some reason, I just am very bad at putting my thoughts down on paper, per se, but I think I did a pretty good job this time. Because I've taken it before, it's not loading. I was not allowed to create the tic-tac-toe, so I chose memory match. I don't have as many cards as I need. It says I need 16. I have 13 at the moment, so I have to up that. I have all my scenarios. This is my win screen if you get all the matches. These are the rules. The goal of the game is to match all the cards up. If you click an incorrect match, the cards will flip back over. If you get a match, the cards will stay face up, and once you get all the matches, you win. Good luck. And this is my main menu screen. Start rules is what I just showed you, and then exit will close application. I do not have a picture of it playing in the hierarchy and stuff, but I do have it right here to play. So we can go to the rules, brings us to the rules, go back to main menu. If I click exit, it will exit the program. Unfortunately, it's a little small on my screen, so I have to edit some things. And also, you see, those two do not match, but it brought up that it matched. And the matches don't work right now, and I guess that card doesn't either. Obviously, 100% work in progress. We can go back to the main menu, or we can quit. And quitting should close the application. So I have my data set up. We're not quite finished that yet. The user actions, in my code it says to check for a card for a match, but it's not quite there yet. And I did follow a tutorial that was off of YouTube, and I used it mainly for the assets and a baseline of my code. And of course, the general instructions, I mean, you flip a card and it's done. Let's see, what else is there? The rubrics. I'm not 100% sure on what to do on that yet. I don't really know how to grade myself because it's not a complete game and it's not great. I have winning conditions, but obviously they don't work because the card flip and counting down does not work. And I didn't do anything with this card because all the code was not written on my own. And I didn't use a class tutorial this time. First time I did. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I have it right here, and like you saw, you open it up and it brings up the game. And I didn't show you before, but go to rules or whatever, and you click exit, and it exits from here as well. If you do somehow, I don't think that's it. Okay, if you do somehow get to the you win screen, and it's going to take forever to load my Unity. So if you do get to the you win screen, once I fix whatever glitch is going on into my code, you have the option from the win screen to either go back to the main menu or try again. So if we were playing and we said try again, it would bring us back to here. But if, let's see, we go to the you win screen and we click main menu, it'll bring it back to the main menu, so you can start again, or you can review the rules in case you didn't get something. So most of my buttons work. And the main menu, sorry, not the main menu, the game scene, I have all of my cards, and each of them have a button function, which is why they're able to be clicked. They all have their own function of flipping the cards, and my coding for all of it. There's a card script, and the game manager is what is supposed to show all the card faces and then flip them to and from their backs. And like I said, I only have 13, which front and back is 13 card faces, so there's 2 of each. And I'm not 100% sure on how that works, but it's something in my code that I put in there. Like I said, still working on the kinks. It's more complicated than the tic-tac-toe tutorial that we have. And then Let's Play is load scene 1, which is the actual game. Main menu, load scene 0, which is the main, not that one, that's the main game scene, main menu. And then quit, obviously quit application. And again, load scene 2 is my build settings. You can see main menu is 0, game scene is 1, rules is 2, and then it loads 3 once you win, but in order to load 3, you have to have this number go down to 0. So that's where my problem's coming in. But anyways, that's pretty much what I have. Like I said, I'm going to try and make this fit more to the actual screen of the computer, because right here it looks fine, but like you saw when I pulled up the actual game, it was a little small for the screen. And even if you pull it up in a window, it still doesn't look as large as it should. It's just very tiny. So I have to fix my dimensions on that. Anyways, thanks for listening to me ramble, and hopefully I'll be able to make it an actual working game before I have to post again. I don't know why I pulled that up. Anyways, thank you.